Hi! Look, guys, look. Oh, look.
Hi guys,
You're brown.
we are back and I have my smart son also back.
2, 1.
Der Sau schon aufgegriffen und umgesetzt.
And he wants to. Look,
Nobody wants to help me.
look here. You can see. We are in.
These skies have a different light. Why noise that keeps me up at night? I can't help but think back to you.
Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's me, Oliver Cagas. Guys, hindi pa po ako tapos sa trabaho ko sa hotel at saka dumating na po ang mga parents ko. Kaya nabigla ako kasi ang cellphone ko iniwan ko dito sa kwarto. So sabi ko, dito na pala sila. So tinan yung mukha ko, hindi pa ako nakilamos, very sweat pa ako kasi po trabaho Israel man tayo dito ngayon guys. Tapos dumating na sila. So ngayon pupunta na po tayo natin sila at saka i-surprise. Sino i-surprise na nakita naman kami. So wala ma-surprise. Hast du mich angerufen?
Mal.
Hallo!
Hallo! Ich habe dich angerufen.
Mein Nadi ist im Zimmer.
Wo?
Im Zimmer. Hi! Look, guys, look. Oh, you are so brown now.
Hi guys,
You're brown.
we are back and I have my smart son also back.
Also, Andi! What happened to your dog? Come here. Yeah. Are you happy or you're...
You are very wet.
Yeah, I'm so wet kasi po, hindi pa ako tapos sa trabaho.
Andi, komm mal.
God.
Komm mal, Eggy. So, komm mal.
Post bekommen. Wichtige Post.
Yeah, vielleicht.
Da bist du dann.
Alles für mich.
Ja.
Hala, meron nga post. Oh, pumunta sila sa post pala. Yung pangalan ko ito, Oliver Gimmicker. Oliver Gimmicker. Dalawa at tatlo.
Das ist ein Angriff, was du sagst.
Tatlong post, oh. Natanggap ko.
Andi.
Hi! Ich habe noch nicht gefrühstückt.
Ja, und jetzt wird Mittag gegessen. So einfach ist
Mit Reis.
Das ist aber schön. Bumili pa sila ng pagkain sa Asian. Was hast du denn bestellt?
30.
Okay. Bumili sila ng pagkain sa Asian restaurant ba? Yung rice at saka chop suey. Buti na lang. Mamaya ko na to buksan. Kakain lang kami, gutom talaga.
Kennen mich die Leute überhaupt oder muss mir das vorstellen?
Hello, guys, G guys. I'm with my dad Uwe because for today's video we are going to unbox this one.
Hi car guys. I want to help Oliver and I hope I can. Oh.
Wait, Andy wants to
Andy
help
wants
us.
to help also. Huh? So.
So give up. Andy must make.
Andy bleibt da.
Okay, then
Andy is one family.
one family Andy will.
Yeah.
So this thing is called file organizer folders. This. Ooh. So are you ready to open this now? To unbox?
Yes.
Are you ready?
No problem for me.
We need to make a countdown.
Oh.
In 3, 2, 1. So, open. I don't have this before. Do you have this already? Because you have an office.
Yes, for my company I have many documents and I have to put it in the
In one folder.
Ressort.
Cabinet.
Cabinet? No, it's the Stahlkabinett.
Okay.
Ressort. So if we have a fire or something
Fires.
like this, the insurance want to pay. If you have this in the pocket, they don't pay.
Okay. Uy.
Andy wants also something like this, no?
Or I will put you here. Okay. Andy, what? So now, open na po natin here. Uy, wow! Uy, look! Ah, guys, look! Yee! wow, different colors.
Yes.
No? Wow, different colors.
The colors
Like rainbow.
help you to find something better and slow.
Yeah, easily, no?
Yeah, if you make Immobilien, you make red.
Yeah.
And if you have ground, you make orange. If you have tax
Tax, yeah.
for the government, you make yellow.
Yellow.
Green, you make for gifts.
Yeah.
Blue for energy and so
Water
on.
and
So you can
Wi-Fi.
find it very slow.
Yeah, very easily.
And so I show you
Wow, different colors.
different colors in sections, and the papers say
You can find them
You-
easily because of the different colors, no?
you can make something like this.
Yeah, you
It's
write it
also-
here.
Yeah, you can. It's glue inside. You can put it right over there, and then
Amazing.
take it
And close it.
and put it in. Was heißt denn Tresor auf Englisch?
Tresor.
Tresor.
Yeah, tresor.
We have a little tresor. The instructions say it's good for 4,000 euros. If there comes damage, the insurance pay 4,000 euro for documents who are inside this.
Okay, this is a multi-packet. No, multi-packet, it means there's a lot of packet. Look, multi-packet and large capacity.
Yeah.
No, large capacity display.
How
And
many documents you can put in?
A lot. A lot.
A
Which
lot.
can be flexibly expanded while the files grow. For example, you have a lot of files, no? So it grows and grows. So like this, you can put it everything.
But if this comes,
Yeah.
wow, moment.
It's like a flower.
I'll show you.
Blooming.
If
Like
it-
bloom.
It's bigger and bigger and bigger.
Yeah.
You cannot close it. But in this case,
You can close
you can
it.
close it like this, and you can make so many documents. How
Yeah, for example, we put this one.
so?
Bigger
Yeah,
and
you
bigger,
can see.
growing and growing.
And with this Gummi, Gummi.
Yeah, the rubber.
Mit diesem Gummi stellst du dann die Stärke dieser Mappe ein.
So they have different here, different. You can choose it. You can choose it different. There's and different colors. For example, this is black. This is black, no? So you can choose also white. This one, white, and you can put in your office or you can bring it like this. You can bring it in your work. And
There are
then
many special models, and you can give for each case you need a special model. Here you can buy.
so for example, put it here.
So
So please put it here. For example, this is my document. For example, this is to pay for my water or electricity. I'll put it in this one. Oh, so if I will, I want to pay. Where is the receipt? I need to find. Oh, it's easy. It's easy because I put in the red color.
maybe you put in the red one things you have to pay, and in the other red one, if it's paid, it's
Already paid.
it's okay. Nothing more to do.
So where they can order it? I will put the link in my description down
Yes,
below.
Oliver want to help you
Yeah.
and give a link to this company. You can buy the wonderful thing.
Yeah. So thank you. Yeah, and now buy now in the description
Buy
down
now.
below. Bye.
And Andy, look.
Do you want to buy also? Or I will put Andy here. Can I put Andy in the packet?
Einen großen Ordner kaufen.
Can I put you here?
Thank you. Auf Wiedersehen.
Kagay, sa super pagod ko, nakatulog ako. Tingnan yung mata ko, parang medyo ano pa no? buka na bagong gising talaga. Super pagod ko. Sabi ko sa daddy ko, sa mga daddy ko, wait lang ha, matulog lang talaga ako. Sabi nila, sige, take your time, matulog ka muna. Kasi alam namin kung gaano gaano ba, pagod. Naaga ko kanina, tapos trabaho, tapos naglinis na ako dito. Before siya dumating, naglinis ako dito. Sabi lang, wow, ang linis ng bahay. Tapos, diba, ang ano nila, yung bed nila, nilinisan ko, yung stairs, nilinisan ko. Kaya sabi ko, oh, thank you, Oli, kasi daw, nakayanan mo kahit mag-isa ka lang. Kahit we don't ask you, parang ano ko, nag-goosebumps ko ba na, we don't ask you, nagawin mo yan, ginawa mo pa rin. Yeah. Okay lang yan. Uy, kasi tayo lang naman dito sa bahay. Sino ba magtutulungan, di ba? Kayo lang din. Sabi ko, tayo lang din magtulungan, di ba? Mga ganitong bagay. Yes, a simple help lang naman yan. Grabe din. Sabi ko, simple help lang yan na giba ko sa inyo. Unlike yung tulong nyo talaga sa akin na super priceless talaga, di ba? Ngayon, nagluto ako ng turo na yan, oh. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, di ba, gustong-gusto niya itong turo na to. Tsaka ako din. Sabi ko kayo, Dad, ba? Gusto mo kumain ng turon? Kasi magluto ako. Sabi niya, okay, pero isa lang kainin ko ha. Sabi ko, ha, andyan naman tayo sa isa. Tapos pagkain mo sa isa, meron pa Oli. Sabi ko, kilala kita. Sabihin mo na isa, pero ang isa mo ay 4. Nagtawa yan siya. Kasi kilala na namin yung isa ba. Alam namin kung paano kayo mag-joke-joke. Sabi ko, kagaya ay, parang si Joey. Sabi na, isa lang kainin ko, pero ang ending, isa lang nakain ko, pero sila pala madami. Yan ba? Isa ang kainin niyo? Yan ang mga ending-ending, gano'n. So, wow! It's gonna luto na. Turon. Kamis na ganito kamis na mga pagkain natin ba, yung panghimagas natin panghapon. Kamis. Namiss ko pala ngayon kasi halos nakain ko na ulit ang ating mga pagkain Pinoy na mga panghimagas. Ano na namiss ko naman ngayon, bilo-bilo. Bilo-bilo talaga, oy. Sino masarap magluto ng bilo-bilo dyan? May kahinuan kayo. Sige na ba? Sige na, good. Bilo-bilo. Busy yung dalawa kasi kanina, di ba natulog ako, pagising ko, di ba summer ngayon, so may thunderstorm pa rin. Kasi iba ang summer ngayon dito guys, nag-climate change. Napasukan kami ng tubig. Napasukan po kami ngayon ng tubig sa bahay kasi umulan na siya ng super lakas na like 15 minutes lang, super lakas, super kumikidlat pa. Tapos ngayon, nangyari, napasukan kami ng tubig. So, insurance, we will call you na. Ito, napasukan kami ng tubig. Ayan. At di namin alam kung saan siya galing ang tubig na to. Ove, wo ist das Wasser hier? Warum ist das Wasser hier? Woher denn? Woher kommt das Wasser? Kagis, ang tubig, napasukan kami, no? So, guys, inyo. Di ba? Siguro nasira ang ang rooftop, napasukan talaga. Dati, kapag malakas kapag may mga thunderstorm, malakas ang tubig, ulan, napapasukan talaga din kami ng tubig. At yung napasukan kami ng tubig dito naman yung area, dito na yan, pasukan to hanggang dito, nasira yung namin dito, yung, diba, meron kaming toaster, yung isang toaster na ito kasi, hindi ito, toaster to siya, pero nasira na din to, yung isang toaster na from KitchenAid, nakita nyo, diba, nasira din yun dahil napasukan yun ng tubig, hindi ko yung nasabi yun sa inyo ka, guys, at saka ano ba yung nasira, may isa pa yung nasira, ba, yung blender, yung mixer ba na bagong bili lang na from KitchenAid, napasukan siya ng tubig din yung ay, hindi pala, dito pala ang blender, dito pala ang KitchenAid. Lang pala, ang toaster lang pala nasira, sorry. Yes, yun ang nasira. Kaya, sabi ko, lupa, paano nasira yung, kasi napasokan ng tubig ba na ayaw na gamitin ulit kasi baka mag-grounded, baka pag may tubig yung machine na gamitin, mag-grounded, pag gamitin, mag-ganon kami. So, it's better to, ano lang daw yun, itatapon na lang daw, pero, bili ng bago at saka mag-refund ang insurance. Kasi di ba may insurance kami binabayaran dito. May insurance. Ako din, may private insurance ako na binabayaran. I think, hindi naman siya talaga, nabayaran mo siya, pero, nagbayad ako noon, kasi ano yan siya, may insurance ako na binabayaran na, kunwari makasira ako ng gamit sa ibang bahay. For example, punta ako kay na Harvey, tapos, pagpunta ako kay na Harvey, masira ko yung ano nila. May masira akong gamit ba na mahalaga sa kanila, mahal. Don't worry kasi po, kung masira siya, pwede ang insurance ko ang mag-refund noon. At saka, yan. At ito din, ano siya, ayun, private yun siya ka, guys. It means, hindi naman talaga siya, hindi siya, tawag nito hindi talaga siya, nasa iyo lang yung kukuha ka nun ng insurance or hindi. Nasa iyo lang po yun. Pero ako, sabi kasi ng mga daddy, kukuha tayo niyang Oliver kasi hindi na alam kung baka may masira, na accidentalin mo, o anong gusto mo, ikaw magbayad lahat. O mas okay yung insurance magbayad, di ba? Pero magbayad ako nun, once a year lang naman siya. Pero hindi siya masyadong mahal. Ano lang yung binabayaran ko, 30 plus euro. Once a year lang yun. So, sabi ko, okay, let's go. Let's do it. Sandy, guys. Ayan, luto na po ang ating turon. Ayan. Luto na siya. Ubos yung yung matika ba na ano siya, yung matika na naubos talaga siya. Ayan. So, ilagay natin dito. Ito din isa. Ano yung matika na nahubas. Bisaya pa, nahubas ang matika. Nahubas. Mga pita ka guys ngayon, magkapit-kapit tayo. Ayan. Uy, nag-dark skin. Nag-dark skin ng isang potato. Try it. Do you want to try? Was ist das?
Trompete drin.
Ah, okay.
Die habe ich verkauft.
Ja. Das ist neu gekauft und verkauft.
Ich habe die verkauft.
So heiß, no? Ist gerade im...
Ja,
Die Besteck.
Die da.
Luft, Gabel. 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 Gut.
Endlich hast du wieder jemanden, der macht, was du willst.
Genau.
Nimm das bitte mit, ich muss dahin.
Doch, was du willst. Hier, probier mal.
Oh.
What's happening here?
Ja, mach
Du
reparieren.
verletzt dich sofort.
Tingnan nyo kakas, nag-repair pa si Egbert.
Ja, noch heiß.
Yeah.
Vom Nerdfestival bei Dessau schon aufgegriffen und umgesetzt.
Warst du da?
And he wants to...
Festival aber eine Art Test.
Wow!
Banana.
Banana, genau. You are correct.
Was machst du da? Heiß noch.
Das heißt noch. Probier. Das ist für dich. Ich habe noch nicht da.
Danke.
Doch.
Kann ich im Dunkeln?
Das ist da. Dad Uwe wants to try. Filipino Toron heißt das.
Special food.
Hot. Hot.
So hot, aber hot, but
Lecker. Gut.
you like it, no?
I like it.
Always.
Mag Julie das auch?
Yeah, Joel like that. Hi guys, I'm with Daddy Ever.
Der Vater mit dem Sohn.
Father with their son, with his son daw. So where are we going now?
Hallo. Machen die denn da?
Yeah.
Für Paletten.
So feel na? Yung vela po dyan ka guys, parang ginagawa siya ngayon yung maganda na bahay dyan, yung gray and white. Inaano siya ngayon, parang nire-renovate. Yan, titignan nyo. Yan, mga ano yan mga basura na itinatapon yan, gamit yan sa bahay. Pwede namin yung gagamitin kasi wala na yung paggagamitan kasi, di ba? Kaya hindi namin kukunin. Pwede kang kumuha dyan kasi itatapon naman siya, pero yan nga, sinasabi ko sa inyo na kami nga, magtapon nga din kami ng basura. Nahanap kami kung sinong kukuha. So where are we going now, Dad, over?
Also von einem Black war nicht die Rede.
This is Texas, Fatima. Are we going to? Wo fahren wir?
Wir holen Medikamente für Egbert und holen die Post.
Medicine for
Medicine
Dad
Pharmacy.
Egbert. Okay, for that Egbert because he's here, sore throat, no? Halsschmerzen.
Hat hauptsächlich Rücken und Bein.
On back pain.
Yeah.
And also you today. I had also back pain, and thank
One
you.
family.
One family had back pain. We have back pain. He have Egbert auch. And Dad Uber put some Voltaren last night, no? Thank you so much for that Voltaren. And still have back pain. Who made the Voltaren? Warum ist nicht weg?
Es war gestern Abend für dich bestimmt besser.
Yeah.
The pain was gone in the night, right?
In the night, I don't
Yeah.
know.
And you have to make it again in the morning.
Look here.
Weh, das wird gesendet.
Doch, daher.
Gebe 100
Ui,
Euro pro Einblendung.
mehr nicht?
Nein,
Warum mehr nicht?
das ist auch ein adoptierter Sohn
Echt?
von der Schreinerei.
Von Indien.
Ich glaube, der hat jetzt geerbt, der Vater ist verstorben.
So we are
Nein, der
going.
kommt nicht aus Indien, der kommt aus Nicaragua.
We're going to this direction. Oh, I miss this place because I'm always in the house. You know? So I miss the city of Bad La Aspa. La Aspa.
Du warst lange nicht mehr in der Stadt.
Guys, nandun kami sa post kanina. Ang nakapangalan naman dito ay Frau Olivia Gimeka. It means Miss Olivia Gimeka. Why is always Olivia Gimeka here?
You don't show that you are a man.
You don't show that I'm a man. Ayaw po daan niyo eh. Wait, it's always like this. I received a brief before and with the same Olivia Gimmicker, and now again and again.
It's always the same company, I think.
Yeah. May kinakain ako na candy ba?
Olivia!
and I will show it to Egbert later, then he will laugh again.
I'm sure.
I'm sure.
Ich habe jetzt hier Vorfahrtfreunde, ne? Was ist denn? I'm
Hi,
so
guys.
sad. I don't have anything.
Here, look.
I don't have iPhone 15.
I know, there's a... here, look ma, look.
Nobody wants to help me.
Look here. You can see. We are in...
Oliver's drunk now.
What's drunk? I didn't drink anything. I don't drink anything. So we are in the ice dealer. Ice
Man
dealer.
ist ja nicht betrunken vom Alkohol nur. Man kann ja auch liebeskrank sein.
Es gibt auch. Es gibt auch.
Die Kamera fällt gleich um.
So we are in the ice dealer.
Oh, da kommt die Frau Weißenfall.
Dad Uwe ordered spaghetti ice and also for me. Spaghetti
Only
ice.
for my son. Because we have Father's Day today.
Always Father's Day. Always, the Father's Day is already already passed.
If we make it, we have it.
Ist das so?
Ja. Wir warten dann ja auf irgendein blödes Datum. Wir machen das ja nicht fast.
Jeden Tag. Every day is a Father's Day. So now, he invited me to here to eat in the ice cream in Vallau.
But it's very secret.
It's very
Don't
secret.
tell anybody.
And don't tell Egbert.
Oh, ist schon fertig. Dankeschön. Oh.
Here ka guys, spaghetti eyes.
Setze dich bitte mal richtig hin. Oh.
So, napormado talaga siya na spaghetti, no? Kasi yung pag ganon-ganon, oh. It looks like spaghetti. Like, because of the shape. Thank you
I love it.
for the treat. Kain po tayo. Yan, may pa-heart-heart po. Wow, tingnan nyo, oh. Sisirain ko, ha. Yee! Sarap nito ka, guys. This is my favorite ice. Spaghetti ice.
Kann das für dich zu Hause auch machen. Wir haben so eine Presse.
Thank you for the invitation. I'm so proud of you. Kumain lang kami ng ice. I'm so proud of you na. How much more kung meron tayong nagawa. Thank you. I'm so proud of myself. Because I can eat it alone. So let's go back home
Okay,
na po.
first I thought you need help to eat.
Yeah. Thank you for that.
Spaghetti for my son.
Spaghetti eyes. La 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 la. Wow, look at the clouds. Guys, andito na kami sa bahay. Ayan si Dad Egbert. Oh. May ginagawa siya sa anhenga or sa trailer. So guys, pasok na po sa bahay. Guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa vlog natin today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe po. And I'm so happy at andito na finally ang aking mga parents. Hindi na ako mag-iisa. Kung mayroon mamang masamang nangyari dito, at least may kasama po ako. Hindi na ako mag-isa. So guys, stay zen, stay safe, no? God bless us all. This has been Oliver Kagas. And then, cheers! Cheers!
Cheese!